this is something I've been needing for a while because I do a lot of riding in the wintertime, my bike riding, and my hands get absolutely freezing. I don't care if it's windproof, waterproof, whatever the glove is. Still, the wind, you got to think of the wind chill factor. Even if it's like 19, 20 degrees out there, the wind chill factor can easily be below zero going through the gloves. So what I picked up here was a set of heated gloves. So check these out. Number one, the box that it came in looks like something like a Christmas box. And I'll just kind of like go over some of the specs on the outside here. The battery capacity on these things are 7.4 volt, 3000 milliamp batteries. The max temperature is 67 Celsius, and the heating time is between 4 and 10 hours. And these are great for climbing, cycling, not necessarily climbing. I would say maybe rock climbing, cycling, skiing, ice fishing, hunting, and hiking. I would agree with that. And I'll show you some of the stuff. And it was cool. They came in this, this nice presentation with that little ribbon. It came with that. The meaning of cold, perhaps, is to let you know you find something warmer. How cute is that? Some instructions. They came in this bag right here. The charger to this, I think, is a 1 amp hour, and it's a barrel type plug, so it is not USB-C or something, so do not lose your charger. They do have a little like package there for either the batteries or the charger. We'll just put all this stuff aside over here. Let me show you kind of the instructions here. What you're going to do is there's a zipper right here on the back of these, and I'll just kind of like show you. You see how these batteries plug in like that and just slide in this waterproof zipper, and it's actually a pretty high quality zipper. I was impressed with that. You're going to slide them on like that, and these do have these little attachments to stick them together, so you got them as a pair here. So looking over the instructions here, it basically just tells you how to, put them in there, some safety instructions, and then so on high they'll last 4 hours, 7 hours on medium, and 10 hours on low. And let's just kind of like go over it first. These fingers are touch sensitive to screens, so these fingers will you can use your cell phone like that. It has grip, a sewn in grip right here in the center, but bending like right where the knuckles are. I do like that. I have used these riding my bike, and this right here, they didn't say what that is, but my theory of what that is to wipe snow off your goggles. If you're riding like a snowmobile or something, that's pretty cool that they actually thought of that, because it will go like this. Actually, let me loosen them up. They go like that, and that back thumb, I think you could use that to wipe your lens off. How cool is that? When you put them on, you'll cinch them down like that. You've got an elastic back here. There's a gusset style, so it goes all the way up. And I went with the size large, and I think they fit pretty true to size as far as sizing on that. There's some way, I can close them up again right here. They got a internal closure right there and a close right there. The inside is like a very soft pad. When you want to turn them on, all you do is hold this down for 3 seconds. Starts out in a warm-up cycle or high. There's your medium, and that's your low. And then it starts over again. High, medium, low. And we'll put them on high right here, and I'll tell you where I feel them the most. It heats up actually really fast. Very impressive on how fast. I mean, within seconds. Right now, I'm already feeling like heat all over the top of the hand. From here to here is already heated up, and all down my thumb. That's how fast. We're talking seconds. And let's do that. All of the back of the hand is heated, and right on the fingertips is heated. So that feels really good. And I rode these on my bike. This is all windproof, waterproof, so all of this will take. So if you're holding on to your bike's handlebars and hand grips, that's where it's going to work really well. If you ride a lot, say you're like delivering food, or you just need to ride, if you ride your bike year-round like I do, there's no off-season for me. And it's been down as low as in like the teens, which makes the wind chill factor here way below zero, which will absolutely destroy your fingers. Trust me, I know. And I've used all types of gloves, and these have been the best gloves I have used for like biking in the wintertime or motorcycle riding. Wow, that is so warm. Right now, it is extremely warm in there. It gets so warm on that number one. You want to put it on the medium. Number one, it gives you 10 hours when it's like, and I haven't charged these. I've only charged these once, and I've used them 3 times now on my trips. And my trips have been like an hour here, hour there, and it's still, both of them, check it out, has a full charge on it. Right there. I can tell y'all, overall, this has been the best, most warmest pair of gloves I have ever had in my entire biking career, if I would call it a career. I absolutely love these things. I will be using these off and on throughout the winter, or anytime it gets super cold, I'm taking these with me, whether it's hiking, fishing, or biking, or doing anything like that. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the heated gloves. See you all in the next video.